Hey, this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain, and my housemate Lisa has had a bit of an issue the last week or two with all the winds, as her door keeps slamming because we don't have a catch on the back of it. So instead we're going to build something to put in front of it. In the basis of it, we're going to start with 2 pavers. But pavers are ugly and horrible, and most stuff won't stick them together. So I'm going to wrap these in gaff tape, and then we're going to make them look pretty. Also some foam so we don't break toes on them. See you guys once I've got it wrapped. Okay, the bricks are gaffed together, and I bought some pink burlap strap today because my housemate Lisa likes pink and frills and sparkly stuff. So for this I'm using as a strap. So I've hot glued it together at the bottom, and then more gaff tape, so it'll be able to be picked up. Now if we just leave it like this is a toe breaker, well and truly. So cut some strips of foam that I'm going to hot glue onto the sides, and then hot glue ends onto it, and then we're going to make it pretty. Okay, with the doorstop so far, we've got the handle, we've got the bricks, and we've got a layer of 10mm EVA foam on it with gaff tape corners, just so it's not as much of a toe breaker when it gets kicked in the dark at night. So now to make it look pretty, because I mean this will work, hell just a brick on its own would have worked, but we're going to make it look pretty. So luckily today when I was out, I got a roll of self-adhesive craft foam with pink sparkles in it. So we're now going to trim it down to size and see if it'll stick onto the doorstop. And hopefully that, plus some bunnies and some other decorations, will be the final step and it'll be all done. Let's see if it'll stick. Okay, about an hour and a half since we first dragged the bricks out of the garden, gave them a clean up. We have an absolutely beautiful doorstop. It's covered with pink sparkly foam. It's adorned with bunny rabbits and jewels. And it's laid in EVA foam, so hopefully it won't break the toe when you first kick it. And it's even got this snazzy handle. So this is the new doorstop for my housemate's door. And this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain saying, stay in and make something.